Here with the person on the street interview is
Lorena Castillo.
Okay, hi. Now, what did you? How long have you been coming down here to Mexico?
About 6 months, I believe.
Yep. And what brought you down?
Well, back pain. Terrible back pain.
Okay.
But
and what kind of therapies were you? Because you look like a nurse.
no, caregiver.
A caregiver.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So you have access to a bunch of pharmaceuticals and other stuff.
Well, no, not really, but.
Now, what were you expecting when you came down here?
I kind of knew already because I follow you. I follow
cool.
you since 2013, so I kind of knew. And I've been sending people to you. And now it was my turn.
Oh, God bless you. Man, I got to tell you, taking care of caregivers, it's like the greatest gift in the world because we help you and you help hundreds. That makes all the freaking difference in the world because caregivers notoriously don't take care of themselves. So thank you.
Yeah.
Now,
no, thank you.
Now, what about, because I've heard you have to have COVID testing and the borders are closed and it's dangerous.
Not true. Because I keep going back home.
Oh, so
I make it home.
So you live on the other side of the border?
I do, and I always make it home. So
I know. Some days the border is like 10, 15 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Other days it's unpredictable.
yes, it's unpredictable, but it's always been all right. I think I only had one time that it was long, more than usual, but otherwise it's 20 minutes or less.
Now, have you done any of the other therapies down here? Because I know at our clinic we do IVs, we do dental stuff, and do you utilize any of the other options down here?
Yes, under your recommendations, I had all my mercury fillings taken out.
Wow, how was that?
Well, I was very, very scared, but lo and behold, I got through it, and it wasn't as bad as I thought.
Okay.
So,
Honest to God, okay, I gotta do this. I love you. Okay. The reason I found out about down here, okay, it was just American Biodental. This was before holistic care or Bergman chiropractic. I researched like crazy. I had mercury fillings. We're the same age.
Yeah.
Okay, since I was a little kid, scared to death to have them out. Someone stick their hand in a drill in my mouth just freaks me out.
Oh yeah.
Okay, but this, when they do it, they do a vitamin C IV. Huggins protocol. Okay, so that means vitamin C IV, rubber dam, pure oxygen, special vent, so it's the safest way you can get it out.
Yes.
Yeah. Are you happy you did it?
I am very, very happy. I feel great. By the way, my back pain after the dental part, I came to my chiropractor, and within a month and a half, no back pain.
Yes.
No back pain. But I'm still coming because I have my sessions and we've got to get me well. Even though I feel well, not until you say it's well.
Yeah, because that's why we use the objective analysis, a live blood cell, full body thermography, x-rays, and then we do secondary tests to see if you are better.
Yes.
Because, 10%, you only are aware 10% of the nerves that come off the spine. So, it's like the guy that goes golfing all day Sunday and dies of a heart attack Monday. He was feeling good Sunday.
Yeah.
Okay, but using that objective analysis, then we know that you are doing better.
Right.
And that's the neat part. So you're maintaining your health.
Mm-hmm.
I mean, what could be better?
No, I'm better because of you. Because of your videos, everything, all your information you give us is what's keeping me here and throughout my day with my nutrition. I follow you.
So now, what would you say to somebody, because the average person is doing muscle relaxants, pain relievers, anti-inflammatories, and they're sleeping horribly because after pain, then you're diagnosed with high blood pressure, all of that craziness. What would you tell to somebody out there who has been hurting for a long time, not getting results?
Well, I don't do any of that. No, I do all natural, and this works. It works for me. It will work for just about anybody. I believe in your work, and so I'm here, and
What brought you over to the natural world? Because, north of the border, and you're living north of the border, okay, we're inundated with TV commercials. You want to run through a field of happy flowers, take this drug. Of course, side effects will be suicidal thoughts,
Right.
okay? But what were you like born smart, or did you have good, bad examples growing up? What brought you into the natural health world?
Well, I was brought up in the natural. My father didn't vaccinate us, so I'm 54 years old and I only have 2 vaccines, and we don't even know why I have those 2 vaccines. I don't have anything else at all. And so when I got married, I guess I went like everybody else, doing the things that the TV tells us. But when it came down to it, I started searching for natural ways as I was brought up. And you popped up. And I was like fascinated. I was like, this is what I'm supposed to be doing. This feels natural. This feels good. Because I'm not going to take any drugs.
Oh my God. God bless you. God bless your dad.
Because I see what drugs do.
We do get people off of medications, but it's so much more fun to adjust healthy hurt people than sick hurt people. Yeah, you're amazing.
No, you're amazing, doctor.
All we do is remove the interference and the body heals itself.
Yeah, well, my body's doing really good.
God bless you. Okay. Real people, real problems, and real solutions. I think that's what I'm supposed to say, but usually there's a cue card up there. Only Biden has good cue cards. I don't have any today. Okay, but my team will get me the cue cards. They thought I could remember. Okay, God bless you, dear. Thank you so much. You rock.